Let's master multiple adverbials in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our journey through English grammar fundamentals. In today's video, we're going to delve deeper into the subject-verb-adverbial (SVA) pattern. More specifically, we'll explore how to use multiple adverbials in a sentence. This is a wonderful way to add more depth and detail to your communication. So, let's dive in. Before we tackle multiple adverbials, let's quickly recap the basic SVA pattern. In English, a simple sentence often follows this pattern where a subject performs an action, verb, in a certain manner or place or time, adverbial. An example would be, she, subject, sings, verb, beautifully, adverbial. Let's get into the heart of the matter, multiple adverbials. These are simply instances where we have more than one adverbial in a sentence. They add richness and detail to our statements, making our language more vibrant. For instance, she, subject, sings, verb, beautifully, adverbial, in the choir, adverbial. Here, we not only know how she sings, but also where. While using multiple adverbials can enhance your sentences, it's important to use them correctly. Generally, adverbials that answer how, where, when, or why should be placed in this order. So, he, subject, spoke, verb, slowly, how, in the meeting, where, yesterday, when. Also, remember that sentence fluency is key. If a sentence sounds awkward, it may be best to revise the adverbial order. Practice is the key to mastering any language concept, and it's the same with multiple adverbials. Try creating your own sentences using the SVA pattern with multiple adverbials. Start with simple sentences and then gradually make them more complex. Here's an exercise. Write 5 sentences using the SVA pattern with multiple adverbials. Remember the order: how, where, when. We've covered a lot today about multiple adverbials in the SVA pattern. With practice, using them will become second nature, and your English sentences will become richer and more engaging. Keep practicing and never hesitate to revisit this video for a refresher. Until next time, happy learning!